Hi, I'm a cool cat mom. I know how to make my cats happy. Do you? It's not easy. Cats are particular, and it's on their terms. But make sure you're taking care of yourself as well. There's only one thing that you really need to do, and this is the best thing you can do for yourself and for your cat. Become an Amazon Prime member. With this membership, you will constantly be buying things, and they will arrive the next day, so you will have boxes and boxes for your cats to play with. To do. It's the best thing ever. Trust me, it worked for me. If not, I will not call myself a cat mom, a cool cat mom that is, if it didn't. Take my word for it.